Time to head on over to St. Lucia for this week's Caribbean music video. Here's Vent by Teddyson John.
Something on my chest, I want to express it. Let me ask you a question. Can I say what I want to say? I want to say what I want to say. Can I say what I want to say? I really want to say it. People don't know yet, but they won't judge you. They talking about you. Must be something about you. Smile in your face and talking you bad and making up things that far from the facts. Why you talking and talking and talking about me? I'll be pressing on, doing my thing. I'm telling you, please don't judge me. God don't put you to watch me. He don't like ugly, so tell them keep their eyes off me. Off of me, off me, off of me, off of me, off of me. Keep on talking, you got ballet.
Jamaica proud with her sterling accomplishments on the track. Let's recap the career of Veronica Campbell-Brown in this week's Our Trailblazer feature.
She was only 17 years old when she competed in the 1999 IAAF World Youth Championship, and since then, Jamaican track and field sprinter Veronica Campbell-Brown has continued to excel. With over 46 medals in her illustrious career to date, Campbell-Brown has made her name known locally and internationally in the 100-meter and 200-meter races. An 8-time Olympic medalist, she is the second woman in history to win 2 consecutive Olympic 200-meter events. She is one of only 9 athletes to win world championships at the youth, junior, and senior levels of an athletic event. For her major accomplishments on the track, Veronica Campbell-Brown is indeed our trailblazer for having excelled in and contributed significantly to the sport of track and field.
Who's holding the number 1 spot on the Magnum Top 10? Only way to find out? Pretties.
Me get that dream last night and the dream tell me things all change. A long time and I suffer and I notice. I show me neck, watch I freeze my wrist. Me and me talk to me in the street like this. Every girl see we want to be my chick.
Wanna move. When me say you get wanna move. What is style name? Wanna move. When me say you get wanna move. From me turn in a cycle. I just be a problem in my life.
Me take a phone call, me take a one picture, but me can't take it fakeness. Nobody come round me, nobody try talk to me. From you know you not rate me. From a
we don't laugh with people, rise in my dick and run the move. Me goody and me with up in your schema. Empty and you play girlfriend move.
Changes in life, jump on a plane if me like. Mommy don't complain, she alright. Changes in life.
Enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up. Talk them a talk.
I gotta make them fight me so hard. I lucky things to me no coward. A lucky thing me put me trust not the Lord. Them want me for dead in the mag.
You have nothing to worry about, your body perfect. Perfect, you're perfect. Now your ears and me, I tell you all the things that when you wire. You wire.
Underwater me, underwater. Underwater me, underwater. Underwater me, underwater. Underwater me, underwater.
No, love it when you take it and you take it. Sit down pan them and take it and vanish like a magic. Skip it and you happy if you sell you make a profit.
And that's how we say goodbye from all the way in Papine in Kingston. I'm your host, Michaela Leana. This week we leave you with more from One and Move by Governor. Until next week, see you soon.
When me say you get wanna move. What is style name? Wanna move. When me say you get wanna move. From me turn in a side gal, I just be a problem in my life, gal. Yeah, from me turn in a side gal, I just be a question from my wife, gal. Yo, some of them boy you worse than some girl. Girl give them some of them go tell the whole world. Can't tell him friend how him go where he look.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.
Come savor the island flavor at annual Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, Sunday, July 22nd at Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. Enjoy finger-licking Caribbean cuisine, culinary demonstrations, cultural performances, a kids zone, tons of giveaways, something for everyone. Performances by Elephant Man,
On the river, on the bank.
Hood Celebrity,
And you are walking trophy. You are walking.
Lust, West African sensation, Bato Ranking, New Kingston, Brata folk singers, and more. It's a celebration of food, music, and fun. The Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, Sunday, July 22nd, Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. Noon to 8 p.m. Buy tickets online at jerkfestivalny.com. Sponsored by Tower Isle Parties, La Park and Shipping, the Jamaica Tourist Board, and VP Records.